Namaste. Myself Pankaj Sharma, BMS 4th year scholar, Shiva Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Himachal Pradesh. I am going to present my topic on ocular manifestation of systemic diseases and Ayurvedic perspective. To introduce my topic, the purpose of Ayurveda is to heal and to maintain the quality and longevity of life. Ashtanga Ayurveda deals with Shalakya Tantra, which deals with the Urvanga Sharira basically. Sarvendriya Nam Nayanam Pradhanam is mentioned in the literature, which shows that eyes are most important among all the other sense organs. Eyes are considered as the windows to the health states of the body. Since netras are associated with the entire body through vessels, nerves and muscles, hence any systemic diseases can involve the eye. Ocular manifestation in multi-system disorders may suggest a diagnosis to the underlying disease. The objective of this study is to elucidate the diseases explained in Ayurvedic classics and in modern contemporary science as the ocular manifestation or the Netragat Lakshanas of systemic illnesses, and to understand the Dosh Dusha Sankalpana. Methodology. Available Ayurvedic classical texts of Charak Samhita, Shushu Samhita, Ashtanga and Yoga Ratnakar, peer-reviewed research articles and journals are helping hands in this. To understand the Samprapti of Netragata Rogas, Acharya Shushuta in Uttar Tantra mentioned that Siraanusarbihi doshihi vigunahi urdhamagataihi jayante netra bhageshu rogaha parmadarunaha. That is, Prakopita doshas when become Siraanusarbihi, and they take their sthana in the Urdhva Sharira, that is Urdhva Bhaga of Sharira, which further take their ashraya in the Netra Avyava, that is ocular apparatus, and leads to a Netragat Roga. Dealing with the pathogenesis of Netra Roga, Sarva Rog Nidhanok Hetu, both Sarvadehika Dosh Dushikar Hetus and Achakshushya Hetus. First taking account into Sarvadehika Dosh Dushikar Hetus, which leads to a Sarvadehika Dosh Dushti, which leads to a Sarvadehika Vyadhi. That is, leads to a Sarvadehik Vyadhi. Also, Achakshushya Hetus mentioned by Acharya Shushuta in Uttar Tantram leads to a Netra Ashrita Dosh Dushti, which leads to a Netragat Roga. Both Sarvadehik Vyadhi as well as Netra Ashrita Dosh Dushti, when Dosh Dushti takes their Netra Avev Ashray, there is a manifestation of ocular disease or a Netragat Roga. Dosha prevalence in the netras are like this: that Vartma are Vat Pradhana, Shukla are Vat Kapha Pradhana, Pakshma is Vat Pradhana, Krishna is Vat Pradhana, Drishti is Tridosh Pradhana, and Sarvakshi is Tridosh Pradhana basically. Now, let us look into the ocular manifestation as per Vyadhi and Doshas. In Jwara, we have Nainaplava, that is Ashrupurta due to Pitta. Swarbheda, we have Krishna Yanam due to Vata. Grihini, we have Timira due to Vata. Pandu, Akshikut Shota due to Kapha. Kamla, Haridha Netrata due to Pitta. Shwas, Vibranta Lochana due to Pitta. Shaj, Kasa, Srimad Netrata due to Tridosha. Urdhu Shwas, Urdhu Drishti due to Vata. Rakta Pitta, Akshigata Rakta Srava, Pitta. Yakshma, Shuklne, Akshma Kapha, Unmat, Adhira Drishti, Vata, and many more examples. Also, ocular manifestation of systemic illnesses. There are some examples. For example, we have in Jwara, we have Chakshurakulta, Nainaparushta, Ashwagamnam. In Pandu, we have Shunakshikuta, Haridra Netrata, Ruksha Netrata. In Prameha, we have Urdhva Rakta Pitta, Timira, Netrupadeha. Unmad, we have Akshi Vikshepa, Chakshurakulta, Samrabdaksha. In Matatte, we have Timira, Rakta Netrata. In Shwas, we have Uchitaksha, Adhodruk, that is downward gazing like condition. In Shosha, we have Prakash Akshamta, that is photophobia like condition. Akshanarati Shukulta, that is whitish eyes. In Apasmara, we have Pratatmakshano Vikrutam, and Utpinditaksha, that is upward gazing. In Kushta, we have Pakshamstad, that is the falling of eyelashes. Akshiraga, that is episcleritis or that is redness of eyes like conditions. Kasta, we have Pitakshta and Srimat Lochdarshanam. Ardhat, we have Netrastapta. Ekas section Milan, that is blinking of only one eye. Now, looking to the Netra Lakshana based on the Dosh Dushti as mentioned in the Yoga Ratnakara, we have Netra Rukshta, Dhumar Varna, Raudra and Chalaguna due to Vata, Deepa Doshi Santaptam Pitam due to Pitta, Jaladram Jyotihinam Snigdam Mandam due to Kapha, Turnam Vilochanam, that is continuous blinking of eyes due to Dvanda Dosha, Shyam Varnam, Tandra, Rakta Varna, Moha due to Tridosha. Why this is necessary? Because doshas are the basic reason behind any pathology, whether it is Sarvadehika Dosh Vyadhi or a Netragata Vyadhi. Hence, as mentioned by Acharya Charaka, dosha hi vikalpanehi vikalpamana vikalpayanti vikarana anyatra sadhe bhavata. That is, dosh dusya anshansh kalpana is necessary for understanding the Vyadhi properly. Conclusion. Understanding the Sarvadehika Dosh Dushtikar Hetus अक्षिगत दोष दृष्टिगत हेतु संप्राप्ति घटक नेत्र परीक्षा पूर्व रूप लक्षण and the scope of management of Ayurvedic perspective of ocular manifestation of systemic illnesses like Jwara, Shwas, Kas, Hidma, Unmad, Pramhi, etc. can be taken into account. Also, it can be concluded that various systemic illnesses are closely associated with eyes and the diagnosis for the same can be effectively done by examining the eyes and doing a proper netra pariksha. These are some references which I took into account, and thank you for patient listening. Myself Pankaj Sharma. Namaste.